Ever pondered the magic of technology that surrounds us? From the humble stone tools of our ancestors to the digital marvels we use today, technology is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It has been our constant partner, adapting and transforming as we a mirror of our inquisitiveness, our inventiveness, and our ceaseless quest improvement. Buckle up for a thrilling journey through time as we explore the evolution of... And remember, if you're enjoying our journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated with our latest videos. Technology didn't just appear overnight. It has deep roots in our ancient history. Picture the dawn of civilization, when our ancestors first began to manipulate their environment. The invention of the wheel was a monumental leap, transforming how early humans moved and traded. It was a simple yet ingenious solution to a complex problem, showing us that at its core, technology is about problem solving. Next, consider the development of agriculture, another critical juncture. No longer did humans have to roam in search of food. Instead, they could cultivate crops and build permanent settlements. This shift led to the rise of societies and civilizations. Then, there were the simple tools, from stone hammers to bronze axes. These tools not only made life easier, but also sparked creativity, leading to more sophisticated inventions. The birth of technology paved the way for a new era, an era of invention and discovery. Fast forward to the 18th century, the world witnessed an unprecedented growth in technology. The era of the Industrial Revolution, a period of rapid industrialization from the mid-18th to mid-19th century, brought about significant advancements that changed the world forever. One of the key breakthroughs was the steam engine, invented by James Watt. This marvel of engineering powered factories, railways, and ships, accelerating the pace of production and transportation, and effectively shrinking the world. Then came the telephone, an invention of Alexander Graham Bell. This device revolutionized communication, breaking down geographical barriers and bringing people closer together. Let's not forget the humble light bulb, an invention by Thomas Edison that lit up the world and banished darkness. It extended the productive hours of the day and transformed the night into a time of activity and industry. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point in history, setting the stage for the modern age of technology. Welcome to the modern age, an age marked by the rapid growth of digital technology. As we delve into the timeline of this digital revolution, let's segregate our journey into significant milestones. Scene: the dawn of computers. In the beginning, there was the rise of computers, marking a significant turning point in our history. We ushered in this era with the first personal computer, the Altair 8800, hitting the market in the mid-70s. This compact device sparked a revolution, making computing accessible to the general public and setting the stage for technological advancements that were yet to come. Scene: birth of the World Wide Web. Fast forward to the early 90s, we witnessed the birth of the World Wide Web. This development globalized information sharing, permanently altering communication, learning, and work. The internet, the backbone of our digital lives today, was born. Scene: the smartphone revolution. As we move into the first decade of the new millennium, we saw the rise of smartphones. These pocket-sized devices brought the power of the internet into our hands, changing our lifestyles in ways we could never have anticipated. Scene: the artificial intelligence boom. And now, we find ourselves in the midst of the artificial intelligence boom. AI is transforming industries and altering the very fabric of our society, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. Scene: the future. From the first simple tools to the advanced AI systems of today, technology has come a long way. Yet, this journey of evolution continues, promising a future that's even more exciting and mind-boggling than the present. Where is technology heading? What does the future hold? We're venturing into uncharted territories where possibilities abound. Think about the advancements we could see in the coming decades. Quantum computing shattering our understanding of processing power, artificial intelligence revolutionizing industries, and bioengineering pushing the boundaries of human potential. Yet, as we hurtle forward, we must also consider the impact of these technologies on our society, economy, and environment. The onus is on us to develop technology sustainably. We need to ensure that our innovations do not come at the expense of our planet or our humanity. Ethics, too, cannot be an afterthought. We must strive to create a future where technology serves us all, not just a privileged few. A future where technology respects our rights, our privacy, and our dignity. As we stand on the brink of a new era, one thing is certain. The evolution of technology will continue to shape our world in ways we can't even imagine.